Okay, so this is a simple way to switch your account from personal to business. I mean your TikTok account from personal to business. Okay. Now you know already that if you want to do it from the app, it doesn't work. It will require you or be asking you to first of all verify your business account. Okay. So as of today, this is 20th of May 2026. Because I had that by 22nd of May it will be impossible for you to still use a business account on the TikTok app if you are not verified. Okay. Of course, we already have our training on that, how to go about that. So you can check the description of this video for the link to the training on how you can get your verification in less than 10 minutes. Okay. But then as at now, you can still switch to business account from the ads manager. Okay. So what you do is try setting up your ad, use the lead generation option, then select TikTok DM, that's direct message. Okay. Then when you come to the ad area, then you will notice something like this. If you read here, it says TikTok account setting must be updated, right? So it's asking me to update it, right? So if I click here now, you will see this is not showing business, right? So what I'll simply do is click on update. So if you read here, it says update your TikTok account identity settings. Okay. So it goes on to say that to run messaging ads, you will need to make the following changes to your account settings. So number one is upgrade your TikTok account to business. Can you see? I've already said in a previous video that you can run certain ads on TikTok Ads Manager or from TikTok Ads Manager with a personal account. So this is one of those ads you can run with a personal account. Okay. So these are the things we are about to do now. So we simply click confirm, and automatically this account has been upgraded to a business account. So if I click here again now, and let me try to refresh this, so you can now see that it's now a business account. Okay, so this is an option you can use for now to switch your account, your TikTok account, from personal to business. Okay, so that is it. So try it and let me know if it works. But then if you want to get your TikTok account verified on the app, okay, without following this route of Ask Manager, then check the link in the description of this video to get my training on how you can get verified in less than 10 minutes. It works 100% if you follow my steps. So get the training and get it done at once. If you have not subscribed to this channel, this is Profit Leverage Ad, where we share on social media ads, especially TikTok ads, so that you can maximize profits. So see you in the next interesting video.